get ready. Metro PCS will be giving away 100 backpacks filled with school supplies. Come out this Saturday to Metro PCS.
This is one of the stations that comes in clear on the other radio, as well as all the other radios I have in Houston, but this one does not. Does not pick it up well at all. It is very staticky. Also, on the USB, the USB does not work. I'm currently plugged in right here, which is plugged into the phone that's recording right now, and I always get the USB error no matter what I'm doing. Then if we go to AM, there are no AM stations that get picked up. 0. I've tried to manually tune it. .740 is a very popular station. .610 is a popular station. None of which come in.